Today we're going to roll out the shapes and bake the shapes for our gingerbread house. So you're going to need 2 pieces of parchment paper, you're going to need a rolling pin, just a regular knife or your pizza cutter would be fine, and you need your 3 house pieces. You're going to need 2 of each of these, so altogether you're going to need 6 pieces. They will all fit on the same cookie sheet. We're going to start by taking a small portion of your gingerbread dough, and you just need to warm it up a little bit. And you don't want it to get all gooey again. We'll take another one, warm it up a little bit. We want to get to about the size of about a baseball. Your dough will be very cold and very firm when you first get it, but it warms up very quickly. Okay, so right there, that's all I had to do to warm it up. Now I'm going to flatten it out a little bit, like we did with our pizza dough, with our pie crust dough. And I'm going to put it on the first piece of parchment paper. Just going to flatten it out a little bit more. I'm going to take the second piece of parchment paper and put it over the top. And I'm going to roll it out. I'm going to roll it out till it's about the thickness of a piece of cardboard, like you would get in a box that was mailed. It starts to kind of curl up on you. Just flip it over. Okay, let's check that. Alright, so you can see about that thick. Kind of like the pie crust that we got out of the box. Next up, I'm going to take one of my pieces and I'm just going to barely set it down on there. I'm not pushing down at all. You don't want it to get stuck. And then you're going to take your knife or your pizza cutter and just gently cut around. Be careful not to cut through the parchment paper. You don't need to cut that hard. Again, I'm not going to push down on the paper. Okay, it should lift up and just pull away. Okay, I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to lay it down on my cookie sheet that is lined with parchment paper, and I'm going to roll out some more dough and cut some more pieces.